Okay, today we're going to discuss about chapter 6 electrochemistry, and the subtopic is going to be electrolysis, and the electrolysis of molten compound. Okay, the molten compound is lead to bromide. So we're going to see what goes in anode and what is in cathode. Okay, now when we take a molten compound lead to bromide, we're going to look at anode and we're going to look at cathode. Okay, anode, positive electron attracts negative ion, and the process in anode is donate electron. Okay, my dear students, I'm going to teach you a technique now. It's called technique Batman versus Superman. When you remember on one side, you can remember the other by applying the opposite. Okay, now we're going to see the technique here. When anode, positive electron, cathode, negative electron. Anode attracts negative ion, cathode, opposite, positive ion. And anode donate electron. The process there is donate electron, and cathode is the opposite of donate. We call it as accept electron. Okay, now we're going to see when we are using molten lead to bromide. Okay, the ions inside are two opposite ions. One is called lead to ion and bromide ion. Okay, so anode attracts negative ion. So which one is the negative ion here? Bromide ion. And cathode attracts positive ion. Which is the positive ion, students? Lead to ions. Okay, lead to ion. Okay, now we're going to apply the concept. Okay, anode is the place of donating electron. So the bromide ion is going to donate electron. Okay, now I'm going to show you simple way to remember of how to write a half equation. Okay, now students, bromide ion, Br negative. When you say donate, arrow in front. Donate becomes Br, donating 1 electron. But remember, the product is Br2. So when I'm going to put a 2 here, the entire thing must be multiplied with a 2. Okay, so a 2 for electron and a 2 in front of bromide. So the product is known as bromine gas. Alright, students? Okay, remember, anode is a place for donating electron, and to donate electron, you show that in a half equation by putting an arrow in front. The arrow goes front. Alright, now we're going to look at cathode. Okay, cathode is a place of accepting electron. Pb2 plus ion, we call it lead 2 plus, accepts electron. And discharge as Pb. Alright, which is lead. Okay, now students, when accepting electron, you can see arrow is going more towards the right. For donating electron, the arrow is more towards the left. You can see here and you can see here. Alright, so this is what we call as technique Batman versus Superman. When you remember one part, you can remember the other. Okay, students, now to show the observation. Finally, okay, bromine gas. What is the observation? Bubbles of brown gas is produced. Or we can call bubbles of brown gas is released. You can see brown gas for bromine. Okay, what about lead? A gray solid is deposited on the cathode. A gray solid is deposited on the cathode. Okay, students, now we have done this. Okay, for remembering molten compound electrolysis, kindly remember the concepts. Okay, so it will make you to understand it easy. So in the coming up program, we're going to study about aqueous compound and its electrolysis, which is the 3 factors for aqueous compounds. Alright, study hard, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you so much.